Mwa konferenfobi enso ho akodi adwamo police force and yesi nya da obetobo etwa so fra no sada na nampafe besiu wedi omtwemade no mudi ne bambofo akoyero emunsem.
Addressing the press in Kumasi, Regional Police Commander DCOP Emmanuel Taekuju revealed one suspect was fatally shot during an exchange of gunfire with officers.
During the operation, one suspect sustained gunshot wounds during an exchange of fire with police officers and was later pronounced dead at the Konfanoti Teaching Hospital. Another suspect, identified as Yahaya Nuhu, remains at large and is being actively pursued by the police.
The gang allegedly broke into homes armed with pump-action guns and pistols, held entire families hostage, and made away with valuables including laptops, cash, mobile phones, and electronics. One of the arrested suspects, Kojo Che Bafo, confessed to committing rape during one of the operations.
During interrogation, suspect Kojo Che Bafo confessed to participating in the robberies and admitted to committing a rape during one of the operations.
So far, 9 suspects have been arrested, including Kojo Che Bafo, Bernard Ousuansa alias Hot Boy, Joseph Opon alias Joe, and several accomplices.